Yes, welcome, long time. Yes, my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Yes, I'm here to tell you that yes, it has been long, but I was trying to see because we have done most of the hairstyles that maybe I wanted also to first to relax a little bit, and maybe by the time you feel like you want to do something new, and I can come back and we still try to do things that are very new. So this time around we're going to do something that is very interesting, and it is the short hair. It trended like some month ago, and now I'm bringing it back in this hair extension. It is very nice. So those who are going to ask me about what hair extension that I used while doing this hair, it is called a spring twist from Gina Collection. It is a spring twist. It is called Spring Twist from Gina Collection. So you can, I think I'll just have to drop that link for you so that you can go and get it for yourself. So let's try to see how it is going to look like. But you can see her hair, the way it looks, it is already weak, so I'm trying my best not to try to be also gentle as I'm doing the cornrows. And remember, we're doing the inside cornrows, the one that we know always lasts for long. So let's continue and see how it is going to be.
He got the touch of a cricket master, yeah. Oh, no.
Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongoyaka, Maurice the crochet master didn't make on you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Maurice the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wansa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. Oh, no. Nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master. Crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No. Maurice got the touch of a crochet master. No. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Maurice. Yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master. Maurice. Your crochet master. Maurice. Your crochet master. Crochet master. No. Touch of a crochet master. He's so good. Yeah.
Alright, yes, all in all, I always want to advise that let's make sure that we make our cornrows this straight. Yes, it is very perfect when do them that straight, and you're seeing like the other one is somehow curvy just because it's where we're going to put our line. So as we're continuing, I'm just trying to add the anti-itch, and this is going to help our hair to not to itch, like the scalp not to itch. So it is very nice. It is 2-in-1 for you who may want it. It helps on the hair growth, and still it prevents it's an anti-dandruff, so it is very perfect. Now as we're continuing, this is our spring twist, and I'm trying to lock it like this, and this is always the way we always do. Though something that I can always advise when it comes to this, you should always make sure that you pack it very well. Remember, it is soft, so we need to pack all the spaces in that when we are trimming. Like when we're trimming, we don't have those spaces. Yes, so we need to pack it very well, so that it is even someone if someone leans on something, the shape doesn't change. You know what I'm saying. So let's continue and see how it's going to be.
Yeah. One time, you know. Gangsta. Oh na 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 na. Yeah. One time, baby. Yeah. Hey baby Chana, ya pretty Chana. Olabika bulungi uma baby Chana. Okoledwa kaviri gwe koyolesa. Manikiwa pedikiwa nga tabu. Basi bobuviri mwato buliyo. Basi bemisono mwato jiriko. Hair by clippers bebaliko.
Alright, so sometimes I tell you that it is always hard for me to teach you how to trim. You know why? It is because whenever we're trying to trim, it is only you who know the type of the shape that you're trying to do. So now, like this, say you might choose to do it in a French cut and you do it, but I can choose to do it in like that brush cut. Still, you can always have to do it. So I don't have to tell you that maybe trim here or trim here. Though the only thing I can direct you on that is that you should always cut, like where I'm cutting here, you should always overcut there so that it doesn't create that back bush. You understand? You should always try to make sure that it is flat enough and it brings out the curve of the head, as you can see right now. So this is what I was trying to tell you that I cannot tell you. So you can even see here there is that shape of, it's like a French cut now, but me, I would want even the top to look the same as the sides. Yes, or maybe that simple shape that can be inside. And now those ones who keep on asking, the one that I've just sprayed, it is the moss. The moss, it's called moss hair holding. You can also add it in there. It helps like to maintain the curls. Yeah, it maintains the curls. And I heard that those people always put it in their hair and they don't spray their hair. So that is wrong. You just need to, when you add it in the hair and after confirming that the curls are okay, yes, you can always spray your hair. Yeah, so now this is how it looks, but after I'm just also going to try to trim the front because I need it to be looking on the same size. So guys, if you want to learn how to do this, it is very, very simple. Just get that hair, crochet it very well, pack it very well, and the same corner the way you have seen these ones, and then you start doing your crocheting. Trimming, it is still going to be except you, or maybe even with your client, because what the client wants is what you do to her. But the main issue here is please make sure that you mind about the foreheads. If someone is with the long forehead, of course she will look perfect like the way you can see her. But those ones with those ones with long forehead, they will always look perfect with this hair. But those ones with short forehead, it might be hard for you to do it. So for that one, you should always put that in your mind before doing that hairstyle. I'm gonna be signing out. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers, located in Intinda, Ministers Village. May God keep blessing you all. I love the hair already, and you can also come and try it out. Remember, our online courses are already available in the description below. Yes, on Hair by Clippers, hairbykclippersinstitute.com, and you go and get yourself those online courses. Choose what you want to learn, and yes, they're all there. Bye bye. See you in my other next video.
Need a little loving, oyagala kola kaviri oshanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Tomukono mukugo kumanyiche kukola. Kitakiwa crochet master, yakugu kamoviri kati master.